welcome to JK Factory. இந்த வீடியோ பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடி மறக்காம எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க and bell button press பண்ணுங்க.
Flood and heavy rain, it was pouring. Then I met one person. I met Shri Siddharth Jayakumar at the airport with his mother at Chennai airport, who was born in Chilkmangalur in Karnataka in the year 1980. He gave me, I am giving total details about him because few of you will get inspired by that. I'll be very happy. He gave me a presentation using a laptop. He came with a laptop, and his father's name is Shri Jayakumar and his mother's name is Komala. When he was born, the doctors did not know what he was suffering from. Later on, they said he is mentally retarded. After detailed examination, it was found that he was suffering from cerebral palsy. As a result of the disease, he was difficulty in coordination between his mind and body. You know what the type of problem. He studied in Vidyasagar at Chennai. Though he studied very well, he has to dictate the answers to another student while writing the examination. Fortunately, our system allows that. In spite of this process, in the 10th class examination, he had scored 80%. He says he could not score more just because he was not allowed to do the practical and could not draw the diagrams. In the plus 2 examination, he had secured an overall 90% and scored 100% in computer science. It is pertinent to note that he is the only boy to score 100% in this subject. Later, he studied BCom and scored 75%. He wanted to study master in social work, whereas he was given MA Economics in the Loyola College. He has scored 78% in his final examination. Shri Siddharth, after completing his MA, worked as a teacher in Vidyasagar itself. Later, he attended a disability job fair. This disability job fair, I suggest to our Honorable Minister, this be done every small towns and cities in our country. Later, he attended a disability job fair organized by Ability Foundation, an NGO working for the welfare of the disabled. In the job fair, he was selected by ABN AMRO looking at his academic track record. ABN AMRO is the bank, has designated him as an officer for verifying the export and import documents of the clients. To enable him to perform this job, ABN AMRO Bank has trained him to learn the banking and import and export procedures of countries like Japan, Korea, Indonesia, Thailand, Australia. He is the first student to be employed with the cerebral palsy outside Vidyasagar. He loves mathematics. He has a mission of carrying, I asked him, what is your mission? He has a mission of carrying out social work, particularly for uplifting the life of special people with multiple disabilities. What a beautiful thought. The experience of Sri Siddharth clearly brings out the special strength available with certain people with some disabilities. Our social system and the education institution must recognize the strengths of the individual and provide the opportunity for these flowers to blossom. Hence, the same thing happened, for example, in the case of Einstein. He's, of course, everything was okay in his system, but in Germany, he was not given admission at the 9th class because he could not score. He could not pass all the subjects except physics and mathematics. Whereas when he went to Switzerland, and the principal saw his expertise in physics and mathematics, and he directly admitted him in a polytechnic. So that one single action of a teacher, recognizing the best of the mind, we got the relativity, the world got the relativity theory, the world got the famous equation E equal to mc square. The same thing happened to Ramanujam, a genius in Ramanujam, mathematics genius, and nobody recognized. Only Professor Hardy, Cambridge, recognized his mathematics, and today number theory brought out. And at that time, there is one Pundi, and Namaswaya Mudriyar, with anguish he says, it is the destiny of our nation that an Indian brain requires an acknowledgement from a foreign.
இந்த பதிவு உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க and subscribe பண்ணுங்க.